Foldable versus rollable displays. The flexible foundation, OLED technology. The revolution in device design, enabling both folding and rolling, rests entirely on one technology, flexible OLED, organic light-emitting diode. Unlike traditional screens built on rigid glass substrates, flexible OLEDs are manufactured on thin, pliable plastic materials like polyimide. This plastic substrate allows the entire display stack, the pixels and the circuits, to bend without fracturing. This fundamental material breakthrough is what enables manufacturers to move beyond the classic, slab, phone design. Foldable devices, the book and clamshell. Foldable smartphones are the first mainstream manifestation of flexible displays. They use a precise mechanical hinge to open and close, doubling the screen size when unfolded and returning to a compact, pocketable form factor when closed. The two main foldable designs are the book style, which opens horizontally from a phone into a tablet, like the Galaxy Z Fold, and the clamshell style, which opens vertically from a small square into a full-sized phone, like the Galaxy Z Flip. The foldable trade-off: creases and gaps. A primary challenge for foldable displays is the crease or fold line, which is often visible and sometimes slightly interrupts the viewing experience. Furthermore, some early hinge designs leave a small gap when the phone is closed, making the device susceptible to dust and debris intrusion. However, recent advancements, including the use of ultra-thin glass, UTG, and intricate, water-drop, hinges, have significantly minimized both the crease and the gap, making foldables increasingly durable and seamless. Rollable devices, the seamless vision. Rollable smartphones represent the next evolution, eliminating the hinge and the fold altogether. Instead of folding, the flexible display is retracted or unspooled from the main body of the device using an advanced, precision motorized mechanism. This design allows the screen to expand dynamically, potentially adjusting the screen size to any dimension between its smallest and largest states. When fully retracted, the device remains sleek and compact, avoiding the added thickness of a folded phone. Rollable advantage: crease-free and customizable. The main draw of a rollable device is the completely seamless, crease-free display because the screen material bends around a drum rather than sharply folding onto itself. This offers a truly uninterrupted viewing experience. Additionally, rollables offer more versatile screen expansion than fixed-state foldables. The user can potentially expand the screen just slightly for more text or fully for a movie, providing a higher degree of customization for different use cases. Durability, a different set of challenges. While rollables avoid the hinge and crease issues, they introduce their own durability concerns. The main risk lies with the motorized mechanism and the constant mechanical stress of the display being repeatedly stretched and retracted around the internal drum. Manufacturers must ensure the motor and the flexible materials can withstand tens or even hundreds of thousands of extension cycles to match the longevity of high-quality foldable hinges. The future verdict: coexistence and niche dominance. It is unlikely that one form factor will completely replace the other. Foldables offer a mature, two-in-one phone-tablet experience for productivity users who value a distinct, fixed-size tablet mode. Rollables are poised to capture the market segment looking for maximum aesthetic appeal, a truly seamless display, and a customizable, infinitely variable display size. Both technologies will continue to push the boundaries of portable display science.